hard to read. It's really tiny in there. I'm trying to see that. See if I can show you. I don't know if you can read it. Got another one here. Also the same thing. I can't get my head
Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
Okay, I got a relay here that's really hard to read. It's really tiny in there. I'm trying to see that. See if I can show you. I don't know if you can read it. Got another one here. Also the same thing. I can't get my head in there to read it.
You definitely want to turn off power when you do something like this. You don't want to wind up crispy fried or damage your phone.
But what works good is if you have a decent camera on your phone with a zoom function, you can set your camera and zoom in what you're trying to read and get a photo. And if it's not lit up well enough, let's see, I'm trying to get the whole thing here. You can turn the flash on or off if the flash was blanketed out. So here I zoom in or out until I can get a good read on it. Take my shot. And there we go. And this one has one on the side too, same thing. I can't get in there. There it is on the side. It's a different relay. And then I can go into my gallery, and we can see if I can see the relay well enough. There we go. Go back and we'll check our other relay. I took a number of photos, and even from there I can zoom in even further to read the fine print. So just nice function, you know. Hopefully that helps somebody somewhere. Easy way to see things that are difficult to see or hard to read. Used for a number of situations.
A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are, you should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.